name is Tyler. Today, I want to ask you a question about improving our communication skills. And my question is, how can we improve our self-introduction?
So basically, what we want to do is to introduce ourselves. Let me see if I can understand the situation. There is you, and there is another person that you want to communicate with or talk to. So there's two people, one-on-one, and then the other way of introducing yourself is like, for example, in an interview, or perhaps even to a group of people. So is that the approach that we will be talking about there, Tyler?
Yes, you're right. Would you please talk it respectively?
All right. What I'm trying to do is to discover how to improve our ability to talk to one-on-one. Let's take one-on-one. Now, there's a lot of situations that are involved. For example, if it's someone age you are, or perhaps a different age, or it could be a male to a female, or a male to a male. It could be a conversation between you and your boss. There are many things that needs to be taken into consideration, but these are subconscious notes that an individual will know. He will know that the person is older than him, and he would have respect for that person. If it is younger, he will speak to that younger person differently. But before he even opens his mouth, he will realize these situations and begin his conversation from there. Now, in that conversation, they're looking at the nonverbal as well as the verbal parts of it. For example, if you know the person is older than you, respect his age and listen carefully to what he says. But if it's a person that's younger than you, then there's another approach to the situation. So that being said, we will learn a lot about these skills. And these are skills that we're talking about in the course that we will try to introduce. Now, let me try to address the course itself. The course is called CPA. CPA stands for Building a Person's Confidence, allowing him to be proactive, which means to start the conversation and participate and lead the conversation. And then assertiveness. The assertiveness is the ability to adjust himself to try to get a goal done, get an act done. And these three factors is what we're trying to strive for in the CPA program. Obviously, the next question a person will ask is, why do I need to learn CPA? And the obvious reason is that this person will be able to reach his communication abilities, be a leader, be a manager, and eventually be an outstanding citizen in the society. Now, are there any other questions here, Tyler?
No, thanks.
All right. If you want me to expand upon this, let me kind of express my opinion here. Right? Growing up in America, I realized I needed to learn how to speak English because in the first grade, the only language I spoke was Chinese. Of course, in our dialect, which is Tai Sanwa. But as time went by, when the teacher scolded me for behaving badly in class, I realized I needed to improve my skills in terms of communication. So it is for that reason I practiced in high school and in college to be an English teacher as well as a speech and debate coach. in America, there's only one speech and debate coach that actually took his kids, youngsters, to the national competition. I graduated from the University of Texas, #1 in my school, and I realized that that was where I needed to be in the field of communication. Plans to go to law school and to graduate schools. And even though I went, my heart was really into teaching. So that being said, it has been my life's journey since 1967. So in any case, what I want to do is share with all the other students here in the world the opportunity to be able to gain skills in communication. Do you have any other questions there, Tyler?
How? Okay, thank you, Chi. You have done a very good presentation. I hope we can talk to you later.
All right. I'm welcoming you to join our welcoming.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. And you have a good day and stay safe, okay?